Hi guys, this is Andres from Graphic Bible, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make this earth illustration or icon, and let's see if we can complete it in less than 5 minutes. So these are the colors that I'm gonna use. You can use your own palette, but these ones are the ones that I use for this illustration, so let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to create an ellipse. You can press L on your keyboard or just select it from here. I'm going to make it this big and then press I on your keyboard and select this shape. So now we're gonna create the gradient. So we're gonna drag this shape, just hold and click and drag it to this bar right up here. And then we're gonna do the same with the other color. So you just click I, the same as the other one, and drag and click and drag to the bar as well, and just delete this color, just clicking and holding down, it will disappear. So nice, we have the gradient tool, or we can use the radial tool as well, so to create a nice gradient like a sphere, and that's what we want actually. So now for the face, we're gonna create another two ellipse like this one, and click and holding Alt and Shift, you will drag and copy the same shape. And then for the mouth, you can create another ellipse like this one and delete this point up here. Just click and press delete, and then press Shift X, and let's on the stroke panel away the, I don't know, maybe 12 for now, and change the cap to round cap. Actually, I'm gonna make the eyes a little bit smaller as well. I think they're pretty big, like that works. So now for the cheek, we can create another circle like this one, maybe this big, and change the color to the one here or a lighter color. And I'm gonna change the transparency, I mean the opacity on the transparency panel to 50 maybe. Yeah, 50 looks good. And then click and drag, pressing Alt and Shift at the same time. So we will duplicate these two shapes, and then Ctrl G. So now we have the face. Let's create the moon. We're gonna choose this color and press L, make the ellipse like that. And then with the other color or a darker color, we're gonna create another shapes, like another circles, a little bit smaller than the first one, something like that. We can select these shapes, and on your Pathfinder panel, you press this one. So divide. So what it will do, it will divide all the shapes, so you can delete the ones that you don't need. For the shadows, we're gonna create another ellipse like this one. Just copy the same shape. We can create two of them like this, and press this one, minus front. So we create a nice shadow, and then grab a dark color, maybe 30%. I don't know, let's see if that works. And we can create another shape like this one, maybe 50%. And let's make it a little bit smaller. Click and hold Alt to duplicate the shape. Yeah, something like that. So we have the moon now. So for the map, I'm gonna use these two colors, create a square, same as the first gradient. By the way, if you want to check my gradient tutorial, you can click up here. I will show you the process of gradients. Now select the paintbrush tool or press B on your keyboard, and you just click and start painting the map. So now you can select all the shapes holding Shift, and then when you select all the shapes, press Shift X, so it will change the fill color like this. And then to close the shape, you just wanna select the shape and Ctrl or Command A, and you do this in all the shapes. But make sure this one is in front, so right click and then press arrange, bring to the front, and then select all the shapes and Command G so it will group them, and then copy the same shape as before, and then select all the shapes and press Ctrl 7 or Command 7. So it will create a mask, and repeat the same process for the shadow as we did with the moon. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I would really appreciate it, and you guys have a great day. Bye.